Okay, now we're going to talk about how to log into your back office as a customer, set up your phone number so that you can start making calls right away. The easiest way to do it, you want to make sure you go to your site and you'll see it automatically says promoters. You want to switch that to client account. This is your customer account that you're trying to get into your customer back office. If you leave it on promoter, you will not be able to get into your back office of your customer. So now you go in under the customer site. We're going to go ahead and use a customer name here. Whatever you named your customer login, that's what you have to put there. Not your promoter login, your customer login ID. And then you want to put in your password, then of course the turning numbers. And let's log in. Now, the first thing you'll notice here that the box is blank. You're going to go ahead and enter in your phone number. But let's check something very quickly before you do that. We're going to click on invoice. And of course you'll see the $49.90. If your site is paid for, you'll see PAGO. That means the status is paid. Now we're going to flip back to your number. In the number box, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and type our phone number. And then we're going to click on the word save. Once you click on the word save, as the screen comes back, and as it comes back, if the number is still in there after you clicked on save, then that means you have a great number. Everything went through perfectly fine. Then you just simply click on the logout button. Now we're going to go through the process of showing you where to get your local access number to make your call. So let's log out. Now you're going to go to the section that says free trial. You click on the word free trial. Now we're going to get the central access number. So you click on the tab here that says central de acceso, and you're going to go ahead and access the phone numbers that you need to call locally. Of course, you want to find out what particular country or area you're in. We're in the United States here, so we're going to click on the United States flag. And now you're going to find the actual particular state that you're in. So we're in Georgia. What we'll do now is from the cell phone number or home number, whichever one that you put in, you're going to dial your access code. Once you dial the access code, you're going to start hearing a foreign language speaking. It's okay. Now you simply put in the 1. If you're calling inside the United States, you put in the 1, the area code, and the number that you're calling. And your call goes and rings right through. Or if you're calling outside of the country, you'll start off with the 0, then the country code, and you'll go ahead and put that number in. So you may not understand them when they first start talking because it's a foreign language, but if your number's set up properly, all you have to do is go ahead and start dialing the number. The other thing we want to make you aware of is that you're not allowed to change your number more than twice within the 30 days that you have that account set up. So you want to definitely make sure whichever phone you want to use, if it's going to be your cell phone or your home phone, whichever number that is, put that in there so that when you dial into the access code, the computer system recognizes your caller ID, and then it goes to the point of completing your call after you dial your numbers in. It's just that simple to place a call, and that's why so many people like this service.